No, hold on. You just did this process wrong. Why, isn't it correct? No, what I'm about to tell you, mechanics and car makers don't want us to know. It can damage or ruin your transmission, your gearbox. For a car like this Honda Civic, a gearbox costs about 6,000 reais. Okay, press the brake, put it in D for drive, release the handbrake, and let's go. Alright, you've moved and stopped. What's next? Shift from D to N, which is neutral, where the car sits without moving. Now pull the handbrake, then you can release the foot brake. Notice when you did this, the car released all pressure onto the handbrake. The car's weight shifted from the gearbox to the handbrake, which holds it. Now you can shift to P and you're free to exit your car safely.